Hi everyone, how are you all? Today I'm going to discuss about this particular look that you can see on my face. So yes, without blabbering much, let's start with this video. So yes, here you go. So abhi I have nothing on my face. So I'm gonna apply this Lotus sunscreen, which is very important. सो आप चाहे घर में हैं या फिर आप कहीं जा रहे हैं, डोंट एवर स्किप दिस पार्ट बिकॉज इट्स वेरी 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 इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड आई नो कि हम सब अभी घर पे हैं, ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट अगेन गाइज डोंट मिस इट. दैट इज़ द मेन पॉइंट. सो येस, लेट्स डू दैट. वेट फॉर 5 minutes आफ्टर दैट एंड नेक्स्ट फेस इज़ ऑल प्रिपेयर्ड. नेक्स्ट मैं अपने फेस पे ये लोटस की आई क्रीम लगाऊंगी. दैट इज़ एडिशनल. इफ़ यू वांट टू इंक्लूड दिस स्टेप यू कैन, बट अगेन जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ती है वैसे वैसे यू हैव टू बी लाइक लिटिल मोर केयरफुल अबाउट योर स्किन सो दैट इट विल बी ऑल गुड फॉर एवर. सो यस, मैंने इसको यहाँ पे अच्छे से अप्लाई किया है अपने अंडर आइज़ एंड ऑन लिड्स एज वेल. बहुत ही लाइट हैंडेड आपको इसे अप्लाई करना है बिकॉज दैट एरिया इज़ वेरी सेंसिटिव, सो बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड वी विल गोइंग टू अप्लाई विद अदर स्टफ, दैट इज़ आईब्रोज. काफ़ी बार हम स्किप कर देते हैं, बट मेक श्योर गाइज वेन एवर यू विल गोइंग टू डू योर आईब्रोज इट विल गोइंग टू मेक अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. अभी आप मेरी आंखों पे देखिएगा, इट विल बी लाइक अ चेंज ऑन माई फेस जब आप प्रॉपरली आईब्रोज कर लेते हैं. सो आई एम अप्लाइंग इट विद Maybelline eyebrow pencil here. So yes, I have done it on my first eye. And let's do it on the second one now. Here we go. Both eyebrows are done. Next I'm gonna just थोड़ा सा इसको सेट कर लेते हैं ताकि जो एक्सेस है वो चला जाए and it will be like all natural. Moving next, मैं अपने फेस पे अब अप्लाई करूँगी that L'Oreal का फाउंडेशन, that is L'Oreal Infallible. आप अपने स्किन टोन के साथ शेड चेक करके इसे बाय कर सकते हैं किसी भी नायका स्टोर से या फिर एनी ऑफ द स्टोर्स. अगेन शेड प्रॉपरली मैच कीजिएगा, अदरवाइज़ इट विल गोइंग टू बी अ बमर फॉर यू बिकॉज ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक होता है जब हम शेड चूज़ करते हैं अपने स्किन के हिसाब से. दो इट इज़ कम्फर्टेबल वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू शॉप्स एंड देन बाई इट बिकॉज आप प्रॉपरली चेक कर सकते हैं. सो हेयर आई हैव जस्ट अप्लाइड इट ऑन माई स्क्रीन एंड आई एम गोना ब्लेंड इट विद ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. अगेन वेट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर है, so it will going to help you with proper blending of the foundation that I have applied. Though this foundation is not high coverage, ये आपको मीडियम कवरेज आपके स्किन पे प्रोवाइड करेगा दैट यू कैन अप्लाई ऑन डेली बेसिस ऑल्सो. ऑलराइट, सो here we are just blending it, so make sure that you blend your foundation very properly, otherwise it will look cakey or it will look like not blendable properly and so on. So just invest your time in it and do it properly like I'm doing over here. So yes, again one more important point, if you want to build your foundation as it is medium coverage, so you can of course apply some more layers, but I haven't because I didn't feel like. So yes, whatever I have on my screen I have applied it properly and blending it. So yes, it's so hot guys, you know, so especially when you have open hair and you have to do all this thing, but again I'm enjoying this process. So yes, blend blend blend, invest your time in it properly. So once you're done with this blending process, I'm gonna apply with this concealer. So I'll just highlight my under eye areas specifically, and some of the areas where I still feel like I have visible marks. So yes, I'm gonna just highlight those things and yes, apply it. And moreover, I'm just applying it on my eyelid also, because we have to do our eye makeup also. So yes, that is the reason I'm just prepping my eyes for it, so that जो आपका कलर होगा वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा उभर कर आएगा इस पर. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हैक गाइस, और ट्रिक यू कैन से. जब भी आप कोई आई शेडो यूज़ करने वाले हो तो मेक श्योर आप अपने आई को अच्छी तरह से प्रेप कीजिए with the help of concealer, or maybe if you don't have concealer you can even use foundation also on it. And again, you can just blend it properly. Don't ever skip this part, invest your time in it. So yes, just blend it and make sure everything is all set and balanced on the skin. So I'm just taking my own time, and so as you guys, whenever you apply any kind of foundation, concealer or even corrector, the main thing that you have to focus is on blending. So just do that until you have that flawless base. So I'm just using my wet beauty blender and just doing that. And make sure whatever you have left on your beauty blender, you take it towards your neck also. Don't ever skip that, so that it will be like all balanced. And here you go, you have all set base. Now I'll just use this Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'll use the shade which is a banana powder, and I'll just use it on my areas wherever I have applied this concealer thingy. So yes, I'm just doing that ताकि कोई भी creasing ना हो. And wherever you feel like कि आपके face पे creasing होती है, specifically for my case, I basically have it under my eyes and my smile lines. So I just basically powder that particular area. So here I have applied concealer on my eyes also, so I'm just covering that one also. Moving forward, I'll just powder rest of my face except the highlighted area with the normal Maybelline Fit Me powder. So yes, I'm using another brush, taking it all over my face. Always you have to make sure कि आप excess हटाएं powder का, otherwise it will going to look like. So yes, I'm going to cover our neck, ears, everything, just to balance out. So yes, I have just powdered my face. Now it's time for eyes. So let me just take my brush here, and we will going to select one color as our transition shade. So this is light pink that I'm selecting over here. So I'm just going to place it on my crease and blend it properly, because this will going to be our transition shade. Okay, so you can continue with the step until you are satisfied with the color that you have on your crease, and more important step that you have to blend it properly. So just take your time, do that. And I'll take another brush over here, and I'll just take another color which is just beneath it, and I'll just place it on my lid, specifically on the corner, and I'll just simply place it over here just to highlight that particular color. So like that way. So yes, we will going to take it until we are satisfied with the amount of color that we can see on my eyes. Taking another brush, clean though, and we will going to blend both the colors properly, just to make sure कि कोई भी harsh lines ना रहें and आपका जो eye shadow है वो properly blended लगे. Moving next, I'm gonna take this purple shade and will place it on the same place where I applied the last color, specifically over it, just to increase the intensity of that color, and I'm gonna just match it up with the first color. So yeah, doing that over here, blend it ताकि तीनों कलर्स के बीच में कोई भी हार्श लाइंस ना रहें और आपका आई शेडो प्रॉपरली ब्लेंडेड लगे. So that's what I'm doing over here, taking my time, focusing on my blending thing. So make sure आप जब भी आई शेडो कलर लें अपने ब्रश पे, always try to remove the excess part. And yes, so we are just doing that over here. So mixing it together, and once you are done and satisfied with the amount of color that you have, so finally I'm going to take this golden shimmery shade, and I'll just take it on my finger and applied it on my lid like this way. So you have to also apply it in the same way, though you can also use brush, but brush पे क्या होता है कि आपका जो shimmery shade होता है वो properly pick नहीं होता है. But again, there is one trick for it. You can use any fixing spray, wet your brush, and then take that shimmery shade on brush and then apply it. Moreover, I'm not gonna take that much of headache today, so I'm just straightforward applying it from my finger and just do it like that way. Once you're satisfied with the color and intensity of that shimmery shade, I'm gonna take brush and just blend, and I'll take that purple shade one more time and just place it on the corner, just to make sure that color is more intensified. And then finally I'm gonna blend it just to remove those harsh lines. So yes, that's what I'm doing over here, and I'm gonna place the same golden shade on my inner corners. बहुत सुंदर लगता है, you can definitely try it. And yes, here you go, I have one eye done over here. Now I'll just do my second eye. So yes, here you go, I have my both eyes done, and color is looking pretty on my face. So this is the look, guys, that I'm creating today. So I'm just removing the banana powder that I have placed on my face for that highlighting thing. So I think काफ़ी time हो गया है, so I have just removed it like this way. So yes, do it, take your time. So once it is all set, now we will going to take same Wet n Wild palette, and I'll take this brown shade for contouring. This is not like proper contouring, it is more like a bronzery thing, so that you can create some warmth on your face, because I don't like that fair look. मुझे थोड़ा सा warmth अपने face पे पसंद है. If you don't want, you can definitely skip this step. और अगर आपको प्रॉपर ग्लोई फेयर स्किन पसंद है, you can definitely skip it, but I'm gonna try it on my face because this is the look that I'm trying today. Once you're like done with the color and the amount and the warmth that you got on your skin, then you can be like done. Moreover, you can just blend this thing also, because जो भी powdery thing आप use करते हैं, make sure properly blend कीजिए, and whenever you feel like कि ज़्यादा हो गया है तो guys you can even powder it later on, so yeah, you can fix it. Moreover, whatever you have, just cover your hairline also, don't ever skip. Now I'm just placing it on my double chin area, just to hide that thing over here. Very important thing guys, it really helps a lot if you have double chin like me. So I'm just doing it, blending it properly. So yes, correct. So I think we are done. So this is now my face. Moreover, we will going to powder the face, because throughout the entire process guys, we got a lot of sweat on my face, so I'm just powdering it little bit. और अगर जहाँ पे भी आपको लग रहा है कि ब्रॉन्ज़र ज़्यादा हो गया है. Alright, so next I'll just take another product, which is this blush from Wet n Wild in the shade Ombre, and I'll just take it and apply it on my cheeks. So smile and apply on both sides. Though I like it a lot, so you will see that I'll apply it everywhere, including my cheeks, my nose, and even my chin also. So totally up to you. I'll just do like that, and moving forward I'll just take this Maybelline shade, which is from the range Maybelline Superstay. One drawback about this lipstick guys, this is super drying on your lips, so make sure you apply a lot of lip balm or Vaseline on your lip before you apply this lipstick, because again once you apply that, it just dries like anything. So just keep that thing in mind and apply it properly. Though this shade is very beautiful, it is actually going and complementing my skin tone over here, and moreover it is actually going with this pink look that I'm creating. So yes, I'm just going to apply little more here, just for the sake of color on my lips. So yes, so I'm just doing it over here. Alright, so yes, so I'm like good with the shade and I'm happy with the color. So this is what it is. Alright guys, so next I'll be applying highlighter on my face. Yes, this is one of my favorite thing. So I'm going to take this fan brush and apply this highlighter on my high points, my cheeks, but I think this brush is not doing well with this highlighter. I don't think so. So let's use finger and then apply it. Here you go, look at the shade, perfect. So I'll just apply it on my cheeks. This is one of the best thing guys that I love to do. So I'll just apply it on my nose, on my cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, and basically everywhere wherever I feel like applying it. So of course, if you are like loving applying highlighters, so go with it. So yes, this was that. Moving forward, the last thing that I'll apply is setting spray on my face, so that it will going to intact your makeup and वो आपका long lasting बना रहेगा. And after applying that spray, I'll just blend everything once again, so that whatsoever excess I have on my face, वो सब आपका beauty blender. So yes guys, so जो भी excess था मेरे face पे वो beauty blender ने absorb कर लिया है. And yes, this is what I'm doing right now. So here is my final look. Perfect pinky look for today. Please tell me if you like it, and let's get it another way out. Here you go with the perfect one. So that's all for today guys. So thank you so much and take care. Bye.